kasi hindi ako makatulog. It's raining, ang lakas ng ulan. I don't know kung saan yung mga tao. The audience is not there. O, diba? Ang haba na ng buhok ko. Kasi dito na lang ako mahiga. Saka lang matulog. Nasaan na yung mga tao? Nawala na yata kasi may bagyo. Kung saan may bagyo, doon ako nag-live. O, diba? Sana all bagyo para makapag-live. Kung saan may bagyo, it's raining outside. Okay, make a love shout out. Oh, baka mamaya later, Mr. Muhammad will come here and join me on my live stream. O, diba? Kung saan matulog na doon pa nagtali-tali ng buhok. Hi! Who are you? I do my live streaming because I need to work for my watch hour. O, diba? Ang haba na ng hair ko. So, I'm sure the people are sleeping now. Maybe they are ready to sleep because it's raining. There is typhoon here in the Philippines. But I have no idea which part of the Philippines. But that's what I heard. But I didn't saw the post on Facebook. Because this day, here, this afternoon, I also do my live streaming. Mega love shout out. Oh my goodness, how do I look? Joey McCreamy. Joey McCreamy. Hi. Mega love shout out to you. Mega love shout out to you. Which country are you from? I'm from Philippines. I am Philippines and it's raining outside. How are you? I hope you are fine. Which country are you from? Thank you for joining. And it's evening here and I'm about to sleep. But since I can't sleep, I decided to do live streaming. I hope Mr. Muhammad can come over here because this afternoon he said something about my dress. He said that my dress is not nice. How are you? How are you? We have shout out to all my friends, in South Australia, baby Nana, to my friends Maggie's YT in New York, and to all my friends in Singapore. We love shout out to all. I hope you are all fine there. And to all my friends we have friends also in Korea, as well as in Japan, to Japan Gardener. To all my friends in Korea, I can't remember their channel's name, but I'm sure they are still there and maybe they are, if they can watch this video or they happen to pass by on their YouTube wall, mega love shout out to all of you. I hope I don't know whether my voice is loud enough. Please comment down below if the if my voice is loud or not. Oh my God. Yes. Mega love shout. Okay, I'm back. Keith Jolens. King Salute. Hi, sir. Mega love shout out. Mega love shout out and welcome to my channel. Where you came from? Which country are you in?